Avenue Messaging Drawer. Messaging learners, other instructors, and administrators is possible through the messaging drawer. Avenue messages can also be organized in the messaging drawer according to personal preferences. Using the messaging drawer. At the top of your Avenue course is a banner. The icon that looks like a comic bubble is the messaging drawer icon. In the example, there is a number above the icon. This notifies the user that there are unread messages. On your Avenue course banner, click on the messaging drawer icon. The messaging drawer appears. There are three message groupings: starred or important messages, group for collaborative projects or teams, private for personal messages. The See All link at the bottom of the messaging drawer expands it to full screen. To access message groupings, click on the corresponding arrow icon. Then click on the Starred option. In this example, there is only one starred or important message. To read the full message, click on the arrow icon under the date sent. Each message shows details such as the date, time, and content, and includes a response editor for replying. Please note, Avenue users receive both direct messages and automatic course notifications in the messaging drawer. To return to the messaging drawer menu, click on the arrow icon beside the sender's name. There are no group messages in this example. There are 6 private messages, one of which has not been opened. To expand the private messages, click on the arrow beside Private. The messages appear in order of date sent and received. Click on the Unread message. The message appears. To reply to the message, click in the Write a Message text box. Type a response. Optionally, you can add an emoji, and then click on the Send icon. Please note, the message appears in both the sender's and the receiver's messaging drawers. At the top of the messaging drawer, click on the More ellipsis icon. Several options related to the other user appear in the menu. Selecting the User's Info option displays the user's name, avatar, and 2 functions. At this point, the user can be blocked or added to your Avenue contacts. Selecting the Star Conversation option moves the conversation into the starred grouping. The conversation can be unstarred as well. Another way to directly block a user from messaging your Avenue account is to choose the Block User option. This opens a confirmation window where you can choose to cancel or to block. Selecting the Mute option stops email notifications for new messages from this user, though the messages will still arrive in your Avenue account. Choosing the Delete Conversation option removes the conversation from your messaging drawer. Let's look at messaging settings now. At the top of the messaging drawer, click on the Actions menu icon. The messaging drawer settings panel appears. In the privacy settings, you must choose whether only your contacts can message you, or whether your contacts and anyone registered in your courses can also message you. In the Notifications Preferences setting, users can choose to have Avenue Messages email notifications sent to their email accounts. In the General setting, users can have more control of their messages by turning off Use Enter to Send. Click on the left-pointing arrow beside the Settings panel title. Then click on the Contacts icon. Your Avenue contacts are listed. Clicking on the Request link shows other Avenue users who are asking to be your contact. To look for new contacts, click on the Search icon. Clicking on a contact shows the messages that you have shared.